Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this pretty pink gloss as well as how to make the mica pigment show up on your lips. After I did the new lip gloss, how to make the new lip gloss show up on your lips, a lot of people wanted to see how to make the mica pigment show up on your lips. So this is what I'm doing in this video. Stay till the end because I do have a surprise for you guys. Well, it's just a free item, but yeah, just keep on watching. Some of you guys already know the main lip gloss oils that I use is the vitamin E oil and the coconut oil. If you are new, the main oils are coconut and vitamin E oil, and I'll be adding some flavoring oil from Get Suckered. I believe I used the cherry vanilla, and I'm just going to be mixing all of that together. This is a very small quantity, so I'll only be using 1 drop of each oil, including the flavoring oil. I also forgot to mention that I'll be using the polyisobutene for the extra shine in this lip gloss. The pigment I'll be using is from TKB Trading. Like usual, you guys know that I do not mention the exact color. I mean, you would just have to experiment, but yeah, this is from TKB Trading. Make sure you always mix your pigments and oils before adding the Versagel because it will become very hard to mix. For this video, it wasn't that hard to mix because it was only a small amount. So yeah, just make sure you mix that up in oils before adding the Versagel. I know I mentioned this in like every video, but this is like the easiest way to get the lip gloss in the syringe without making a mess. This is just me filling up the lip gloss tube. If you don't want to see your part, you could always fast forward. These lip gloss tubes are available on my website for wholesale orders, as well as the 15 ml that I will be filling up after this clip. So yeah, if you guys want wholesale lip glosses with 2 to 5 day shipping, you can check that out on my website. I'll leave the link down below. So the trick to making any lip gloss pigment or mica pigment to show up on your lip is to add less oils, like make the lip gloss a little thicker and add more pigment. The more pigment you add, the more it will show up on your lip. The less oils you add, the more it will show up on your lip, basically. So yeah, just be mindful of that when you're making your lip gloss. Don't forget to check out my pipette and syringe bundle on my website, as well as the 5 pipettes for $10 deal on my website. Everything that I am listed in this video will be on my website, so I'll just leave the link to everything down below. So there's a lip gloss on my lips, and my trick actually does work, so you guys should try it out. So I also made some 8-ounce jars and this lip gloss pigment. If you guys want to purchase that on my website, I'll leave the link down below. I also made a couple of lip gloss tubes, the 15 ml. I don't think I did any 10 ml. I only did the 10 ml for my trial on my lips, but the rest is 15 ml and it is on my website. I also have a free sample 10-gram jar for the next person who purchases over $30 on the website after I drop this video, actually.